This video I will show you that how you can buy and sell crypto coin from OKX application in very simple steps. You must have some USDT in your account to buy any crypto coin like Bitcoin, Ethereum or any other. So let's come on the mobile screen. I have opened OKX application on my cell phone. My account is already logged in. Here you can see my account is logged in. So to buy any coin, you must have some USDT or Bitcoin in your account. So here you can see I have 11 USDT in my trading account. So you must have USDT in your trading account. Otherwise, you cannot buy coins from USDT. So to buy coins, click on the trade button. So here you can see markets. You have to click on the markets. So on market section, you will find all the crypto coins. There are too many coins available. So if you want to buy any coin, you can search from here. Using the search button, click on search button and type which coin you want to buy. Just like if you want to buy Ethereum, you have to type ETH. Similarly, if you want to buy Bitcoin, you have to type BTC. So when you type coin symbol, you will see multiple sections just like sport, future, margin, option. So currently we are buying from the sport section. Future is not recommended for the beginners. So you have to click on the show more on the sport section. So when you click on the show more, you will see multiple pairs of BTC. Just like BTC/USDT, BTC/USDC, BTC/DAI. So there are multiple pairs are available. So after slash, the coin which you see just like USDT or USDC or any other, it means you will buy BTC from that coin. So currently I have USDT. So I will click on the BTC/USDT pair. So when you click on it, you will see this chart. This is the Bitcoin chart and 1 hour candle is selected. So you can see each candle is 1 hour candle. If you click on 1 day, now all candles are 1 day candle. Now if you want to buy or sell Bitcoin, you have to click on the trade button. Click on trade. So when you click on the trade, on the right side you can see a buy and sell live chart. That's what's going on the market. If you come on the left side, you will see sell and buy buttons. So currently we are here to buy. So we will select buy button. On the bottom of the buy, you will see a market order. Sometimes it is by default limit order, but you have to select always market order if you want to buy the coin. In the next video, I will show you the difference between the limit order and the market order. Currently, I will show you that how you can buy a coin instantly from the market price. Here you have to type USDT, how much Bitcoin you want to buy for the USDT. So we have 11.8 USDT available. So minimum amount is 0.5 USDT. So I will buy Bitcoin for the 1 USDT. On the bottom, you can see a section that how much percentage you want to buy from your USDT. If you want to buy 100% from your USDT, you can buy and you will get 0.0002779 BTC. But I will buy Bitcoin for the 1 USDT. Now here you have to click on the buy BTC. So when you click on the buy BTC, your Bitcoin will be purchased instantly. Let me show you. Click on buy BTC, order placed. It means we have successfully buy Bitcoin from our USDT. Let me show you. Come on the assets. So here you can see we have BTC for the $1 in our account. So we have successfully buy crypto coin in a few seconds. Now let me show you that how you can sell this coin. For example, if you are in some profit and want to sell this coin, then you have to follow almost the same process. Come on the discover. Here you can search BTC USDT pair. In the same way, you have to click on the trade button. Now still we have 10.8 USDT available. But so if you want to buy further more crypto coins, you can buy from this USDT. But currently we are here to sell our Bitcoin. So come on the sell section. So if you want to sell instantly, so always select market order. And here you have to type amount, that how much amount you want to sell. Maximum sell is 0.99 USDT. 0.1 is a smaller fee for the OKX Exchange. And here you can give the percentage, that how much percentage you want to sell. I want to sell 100% and click on the sell BTC. When you click on the sell BTC, your Bitcoin will be sell instantly on the market price. Click on sell BTC, order placed. So we have successfully sold our Bitcoin instantly on the market order. If you come on the buy, here you can see again we have 11.8 USDT. Let me show you on the assets. So here you can see Bitcoin is not available here. If you click on the hide asset, so we don't have Bitcoin furthermore in our account. So I hope you understand that how you can buy and sell coin from the OKX Exchange. I have already created a video that how you can buy and sell coin from the OKX Exchange, from the Binance Exchange. You can find the link from the description. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.